Well, welcome to this tutorial where we are going to explain how to publish the routes that we have chosen to complement the recipes that we are creating. Okay, here you can see the instructions on how to publish the route. We need the title, the distance of the route, a brief description, the level of difficulty, and some photos or a screen capture of the map of the route. Where can we find these routes? We can find them here on Wikiloc. Okay? On Wikiloc, if we use the map, we can filter and find the different routes in accordance to the type of activity we want. In this case, it's hiking or walking. Okay. Here you see we are in Segura de la Sierra. We can see that there are several routes that we can choose. And for instance, let's say that we want to use this one, which is a family walk. We click on it and then we have the description of the route, the details, the distance, and the map. Okay, once we have chosen this route, we are going to go to our map in Padlet. See, the title of the map is Let's Go Walking. We locate Segura de la Sierra and then we are going to publish the route that we have chosen. How to publish it? Just click on this icon here which says Añadir publicación. Okay, and the best option is option number 2, drag and drop this marker. So we drag and drop the marker here. Okay, we choose a place, the title, say, promenade, okay, a beautiful walk in the historical village of Segura de la Sierra. It is suitable for all people, or for all the family, let's say. Okay, we have the title, a brief description, let's say the distance is 5 kilometers. The level of difficulty is, let's say, easy. And now we need a map or a picture. Okay, what we have to do is go into Wikiloc, maximize the map, we zoom in, and then print the screen. We click on it. We can also include a profile if we want. Let's say copy, and then we go here and Ctrl V, paste, and the image is uploading into the map. Okay, so that's it. We have our promenade, our walk marker. We just click outside and the marker is already set. You see? Good. I hope you find this tutorial useful, and I'm looking forward to seeing all your routes. Thank you.